Coral reefs are the most biodiverse ecosystems of the planet. They provide a home to 25% of ocean animals and the resources to support over 1 billion people. The changing climate is placing coral reefs worldwide in danger. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest and one of the best managed reef systems in the world, but it's still at risk. We need to take action now to give this amazing global icon the best possible chance of survival. Gary McKenna is an enthusiastic diver and ocean conservationist who's taken action. He founded Reef Restoration Foundation, a not-for-profit social enterprise driven by qualified volunteers to restore damaged coral reefs using ocean-based coral nurseries. Coral nurseries consist of a series of coral tree frames, where cuttings are taken from healthy coral and then hung onto the frames to grow. After 6 to 12 months, the majority of the cuttings are fixed back onto the reef. The remaining corals on the frames are snipped into smaller fragments to regrow, and the cycle of life continues. From one small cutting, we can create thousands of new corals. We have a goal to plant 1 million corals by 2026. This will help improve the health of the high-value reefs and protect jobs and businesses reliant on the reef. With your support, we can achieve our goals. Please help us by making a donation at the Quest donation point system near the screen. Adopt a coral, tree or nursery. Follow our journey on Facebook and Instagram.
This video is for the climate conference in Slovakia, for Daniela and Peter, that are our coral crusaders and really dedicated volunteers for reef restoration, and also eco warriors and climate fighters. Keep saving the planet, guys.